Hi Lash Addicts, it's Joy from LashJoy Academy. I just wanted to give you some quick tips on how to prepare for your lash appointment. If you've never had extensions before, I would recommend popping into the salon that you are going to at least a week before your appointment so you can pick up an eyelash extension approved cleanser. This is really going to give your lash stylist a really nice clean surface to work with, so that way that adhesive that she applies will have a nice strong bond. If you don't have time to pop into the salon to pick up an eyelash extension approved cleansers, just make sure you keep all greasy and oily and slippery products away from your natural lashes. Now that also includes cleansers that contain exfoliants in them, liquid eyeliner and mascara, because these things can create a barrier between the adhesive and the natural lash, which can cause your extensions to lift. Make sure you arrive to your appointment with squeaky clean natural lashes, so that way you can have amazingly long-lasting extensions and avoid getting stabbed by your lash stylist.